Welcome to Share Science, animal lovers. In the heart of Jupiter, Florida, lies a sanctuary, a refuge not just for wildlife, but for the stories of Florida's wild heritage. Busch Wildlife Sanctuary invites us to step into a world where education meets conservation and where every animal has a tale to tell. Busch Wildlife Sanctuary has many different animals in their care, all with their own reasons for staying at the sanctuary. From bobcats, otters, and hawks to the elusive Florida panther, each of the animals here carries a story. Rescued, rehabilitated, and now a voice for the wild that can teach us about Florida's delicate ecosystem. Our first animal looks like something you might have at home, but don't be fooled. It's the Florida bobcat. The Florida bobcat, a stealthy hunter of the forest, prowls both the wilds of Florida and the grounds of bush wildlife. Here, these elusive felines are ambassadors for their kind, teaching visitors about their vital role in the ecosystem. There are 6 bobcats that live at the sanctuary. 4 of the bobcats were kept illegally as pets, and the other 2 have long-term conditions that need ongoing care that the sanctuary happily provides. In the wild, bobcats thrive in a range of habitats, from dense forests to suburban areas. Their tufted ears and keen senses make them formidable hunters of small prey like rabbits and birds. They are aggressive hunters that roam throughout the state and can be seen during the day due to their short rest periods, just 2 to 3 hours at a time. But human expansion threatens their territories, making places like bush wildlife critical for their survival. Let's see what's next. Our next featured animal can be seen soaring through the skies across Florida's wetlands. It's the red-tailed hawk. The red-tailed hawk can normally be seen soaring through the skies as a symbol of strength and freedom. At Busch Wildlife Sanctuary, these raptors are cared for after injuries that would otherwise leave them grounded. In the wild, the red-tailed hawk is a master of the air, using its sharp talons and exceptional vision to hunt rodents and reptiles. Red-tailed hawks are large birds of prey, known for their broad wings and characteristic rusty red tail feathers, which give them their name. These hawks are opportunistic hunters and primarily feed on small mammals such as mice, voles, rabbits, and squirrels. Their iconic call, a piercing scream, has come to represent the essence of the wild. Our third animal is one of Florida's most popular, but also the most elusive. It's the Florida panther. The Florida panther, a ghost of the Everglades, walks the fine line between survival and extinction. At Busch Wildlife Sanctuary, these apex predators are given a second chance, offering visitors a rare glimpse into the life of Florida's state animal. These panthers were not doing well in the wild and needed rehabilitation. Each panther here carries the weight of a species in peril, a reminder of the wild legacy we strive to protect. In the wild, Florida panthers are solitary and secretive, requiring vast territories to hunt deer, hogs, and other prey. Habitat loss and vehicle collisions have left their population critically low, but sanctuaries and conservation efforts provide hope for their future. Our fourth animal can be found at play in the interconnecting web of Florida's waterways. It's the river otter. Few creatures embody the spirit of play like the river otter. At Busch Wildlife Sanctuary, their antics bring smiles to faces young and old, but their lives in the wild are just as fascinating. You can see in the video the otters playing with each other between sessions of preening their fur. Through education and care, Busch Wildlife reminds us that even the most playful of animals play a crucial role in the circle of life. River otters are agile swimmers, using their webbed feet and sleek bodies to navigate Florida's waterways and coastal estuaries. They are ecosystem engineers, helping maintain the health of aquatic habitats. However, pollution and habitat destruction threaten these charismatic creatures. We hope you liked today's video. Busch Wildlife Sanctuary is more than a haven for animals. It's a bridge between us and the wild. Through the stories of the bobcat, the red-tailed hawk, the Florida panther, and the river otters, we are reminded of our shared responsibility to protect Florida's natural heritage. Hit subscribe below, and you can get new content just like this every week in your feed automatically.